Are you ready to revolutionize your online events? Meet Livestorm, your all-in-one video platform. With Livestorm, conducting engaging webinars, meetings, and trainings is a breeze. Livestorm is all about efficiency. Say goodbye to multiple tools. You can organize, invite, engage, and analyze all in one place. Whether you're hosting a demo or recording onboarding sessions, Livestorm does it all. Imagine customizing your virtual room with file sharing and unique designs that represent your brand. Access detailed contact profiles like your CRM, maintain email cadences, and send personalized reminders. Best of all, it's browser-based. No software downloads are needed. Let's talk features. With AI-powered captions and transcripts, you enhance accessibility. Crystal clear communication, achieved through noise cancellation. Plus, you can reach even wider audiences by streaming events on platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, and X. Time is everything, and Livestorm saves you plenty with automatic calendar invites. You can host private events for chosen participants or public events to draw larger crowds. Whether it's a simple meeting or a professional summit, Livestorm fits your needs. User experience is key. Livestorm stands out with easy setups and a customizable interface. Hear it from users. Livestorm is not only user-friendly but also efficient. It allows for scaling training programs and making them more engaging. Wondering if you're ready to take the plunge? Sign up today for free. You're just 3 minutes away from creating your first engaging event. No credit card required and nothing to install. Join us at Livestorm and transform your online events into memorable experiences.